Guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a food post in Canva for social media. So insert an image. Now insert a rectangle that covers the entire slide. Change its color to black and move its transparency to 94 and insert another square and decrease its size like this and move it towards the left and change its color to yellow. Now insert a line and rotate it and change its color to black and change its size. Now the next thing you have to do is that you have to adjust it. So you have to search for frame and you have to insert a frame and you have to give it some corners. And now you have to insert an image in the rectangle and adjust it. Rotate it and duplicate it about 2 times and decrease the size and rotate them. Now I'm gonna insert images that are different in the 3 of the frames. Now go to text and add a heading and widen it best. Changes color to white and search for brush and the font that I'm using right now is Lumina brush. So you have to click on Lumina brush font and you're gonna use that font. Now you're gonna rotate this text as well and decrease its size. That's it. Now the next thing you have to do is that you have to paste it and write today's, decrease its size, and change its color to yellow. You have to duplicate this one again and whiten it. You're gonna write in it deal. Yeah, deal. So the next thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna go to elements and we're gonna open new slide and we're gonna make this shape in Canva from using triangles. And this shape is known as sunshine sparkle or anything else in other stuff. So I'm gonna change its color and I'm gonna group these 3 shapes and I'm gonna use them in my first slide. This post is gonna look really interesting to anyone who's looking at your post, so follow my channel for more interesting posts and tutorials like this. Insert 2 circles and change their color as I have done. Now insert a circle to make it transparent and you have to create its lining, dotted line, and that's it. You have to um, group these 3 circles. Now you're gonna add more text that is 50% off limited offer in this circle. You have to change colors and then you have to change fonts and bold or unbold these text as I have done. You can see this video and you can make this by pausing the video. Now what you have to do is insert a square for order button. You have to change this color to yellow and insert the text in it, which is order now. Unbold it and that's it. Below this order button, you're gonna write your website name. That's it. Now you're gonna insert a logo from Elements by searching food logo and you're gonna insert your company name next to your logo. That's all for today. Be sure to subscribe my channel and like the video, and this is our final result.